Morning, guys. We are leaving the camp spot I was in for the past couple days and heading into town for food and gas and laundry, maybe. Hopefully laundry. I don't have any cash on me, so we'll see if they'll take a card or I can maybe pay the front desk lady to maybe do it. I don't know, we'll see. Well, we got some gas at Maverick. Now we're back at City Market. As I was here the other night, I didn't film any of it, of course, but resupply and see if we can get some laundry done after this. Shout out to Gearhead's Outdoor Store. Got some propane. That place is literally massive. I've never seen a store that big that sells outdoor gear. Not even REI, I think, can compete with them. Awesome. Yeah. So I was trying to get my laundry washed, but I don't have any cash on me, so I came here and they take card, but they have a $16 minimum to do it. It's like, what? $16? So I'm gonna wait and get some cash out of the bank and go to the other laundry place that takes cash, and it only cost like $10 or less. So anyways, there's a sweet VW Bug place right here on the right. Check this place out. Just tons of beetles. Beetle graveyard. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm not paying $16 for my laundry to get washed. That just seems a little crazy. I go by a gym that's in town here, just up the road, and see how much their day pass is, so I can get a shower. Let's hope that's not ridiculously high too. Well, the gym is closed due to the observation of President's Day. So, I guess no shower today. No laundry either, because I'm not paying $16. At least I got food and propane, or not propane, but butane, jet fuel for the stove so I can cook. I mean, I've got a tiny bit left, but I know it was about to run out, so I had to overpay for a can of fuel because, you know, there's no Walmart with anywhere near here. All right, yeah, so I guess that concludes the day in town. It was kind of eventful, nothing too crazy, but we're going to go find a new camp spot for the night on the opposite side of town, close to the mountains. Let's see if I can get some close up of the mountains, because they look pretty cool right now. Yeah, let me see if I can get very dark clouds over them. Doesn't look like it's snowing up there, but just kind of gloomy for sure. But I wouldn't mind finding a camp spot somewhere on the other side of town, off this main road, on some BLM land, where I can get a good view of the mountains and maybe some more pictures. But very windy, very stormy. So I'm at the aquatic center, and they said I could use the aquatic center for $7. Not too bad. Take showers. Hey guys. It's actually not that late here, but the clouds are making it seem like it's so dark and gloomy. I got a shower. Oh man. So nice. I literally stood in the shower for like an hour. I'm not gonna lie to you. Also got a little workout in. So it was like $7 for a shower, or $10 for a workout and a shower. So, you know, it's kind of a no-brainer, of course. So I went ahead and got her all done, as we say in the South. Get her done, boy. Anyways, now I'm gonna head a little bit further up, like I was talking about earlier, and see if I can find a spot for the night and cook some dinner. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna cook yet, but I've got a large menu because I just went shopping. So we'll see you guys up there. Well, it was snowing and sleeting and raining and every other type of weather, but yeah, it killed off. Now it's just a little chilly. So it's just way too cold to cook outside. Probably should have stayed down at lower elevation, but oh well, you know me. I literally go up, down, all around. Pretty sure this jet fuel for this jet boil is about to run out, so it's good that I found this other tank today, so that's good. But cooking inside the 4Runner, vent the windows. That's something that I always make sure I do. But we're gonna make some rice and I guess fajitas again. I don't know. It seems like it's always fajitas. But I got avocado and some chips and salsa, so it should be pretty tasty. And then tomorrow we could do some sort of like Italian stuff because I got some Italian type food. But yeah. So I chopped up the onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Got some chips down here. Still boiling the rice. Well, I say boiling, but you know, simmering it essentially to try to get it soft enough to Eat. Oh, bam. Yeah, I don't want it to boil over. Morning, guys. Definitely got some snow last night, and up here in the mountain it's still in the clouds. Looks like the sun's trying to pull through, but we're gonna go down into town again, because obviously there's no pictures to be had of the mountains up here right now, and get some Wi-Fi, a better service to download or upload and render new video for YouTube. So I think today I'm uploading the one where I go to Boise. So Boise, Idaho, here we come. I think it was a decent video, but we'll see what you guys think. So see you in town. Exercise in the morning. Just uploaded the overnight in Boise, which that video obviously has way more to it than just the overnight in Boise, but I thought that was a cool part of it at the end, at least. You just gotta sit through the entire video to get to it, but I think the rest of it was cool too, seeing the Capitol and everything else. But here at McDonald's, using the Wi-Fi, of course, as always. There is Moab Brewing Company. Anyways, right here across the street. But it looks pretty small, kind of interesting. They literally have their fermenters sticking out of the top of the building. So I wonder if those are just like for show, but I'm not sure. There's a forklift sitting next to the building. I don't know. Do they literally use... That just seems kind of unsanitary to me, for one. And for two, the pain in the butt of having to get to the top of those to put any kind of, yeast in and hops and stuff while it's fermenting. and then to service those pipes and everything. I don't know. Here, let me just show you. Yeah, check those out. There is a forklift there, but 3 fermenters sticking through the building. That just seems kind of interesting to me, but you know, I guess you can watch them put hops and stuff in whenever they get to that point. But yeah, Moab Brewery. And there's Moab Valley Inn next across the street from there. All right, so we're gonna head to Canyonland National Park and check it out. I think today maybe we'll sleep in the park overnight like we did Arches. I think that'll be fun. See what kind of views we get, because I've never been inside Canyonlands before, or Arches, or anywhere really in here. So I've just been bouncing back and forth through the city. So all right, there's a cool 4Runner over here next to me. A lot of 5th gens out here. Nice. This guy's got so many Land Cruisers. Man, so much money back there. Land Cruisers are so expensive now. And I talked to the shop across the street, and he was like, yeah, the guy won't sell me one. He knows what he's got. Probably like $1 million in Land Cruisers. Crazy. I'll stop to eat lunch for a minute. Making a wrap. Egg whites. I usually just take the yolk in the middle part out and trash it. But this salsa from Simple Truth, man, is some legit stuff. Tons of flavor. Some mushrooms, hummus. Woo! Man, it's cold out there. Moab is like a weird, it sits in the middle of a canyon down at lower elevation. So it wasn't too bad, but I just came up here a little bit, pulled over to eat lunch here, and man, freezing with the wind. But I'm not sure if today is really the greatest day to go to the national park, but worst case scenario, we can chill out in there and sleep tonight, and then maybe tomorrow the weather will change. I think it's supposed to, but I'm not sure completely. But yeah, there's just like a thick fog over that whole area over there. You can't even see the Sal Mountains right now. But I guess every day can't be rainbows and sunshine, that's for sure.